Good morning, kitty. Good morning, everyone. We slept at Walmart on the side of the main highway. Kind of easy spot to sleep when you are crossing Canada. And it was chilly that I start my heater. I just stopped it. I feel like it's been hot, cold, hot, cold. I mean, the morning are definitely cold. So, typical little breakfast this morning. And we're gonna go see something. I think it's gonna be cool. This morning. We are better to go. Looks like they're doing some kind of construction. Yep. So we arrived, guys. Yeah, we are in the dinosaur town, place that I visit a little bit, but we're gonna go explore more. Quite exciting, quite cool spot. So there is a big museum in this town, dinosaur museum that we visit 2-3 years, I don't remember, ago. If I found the video, I'm gonna put in the link. But yeah, so I thought that today we're not gonna do that. It's gorgeous though, if you come here, do it. But we're gonna go visit the little town of Dromedar, and it's got a ton of like dinosaur team stuff that I barely watched last time. I barely went, and we're gonna do the rest of the dinosaur park if you want. After that, he's so cute. So every corner there's got a little dinosaur waiting for us. There's also this guy who's waiting for us. We have some dinosaur print. Firemen still have their dinosaur team. And this is the world's biggest dinosaur. That's what they said. That's so funny. Some people like you can climb inside the dinosaur thing. Enjoying your nap? So you might wonder why so many dinosaurs here, or dinosaur thing here. Little bit of information from internet. Dinosaur Partial Park in UNESCO World Heritage Site in Alberta. Yeah, a rich, unique fossil of dinosaur. I hope I said it right. Including over 50 dinosaur species has been found here. And if I remember the story, the river that we're gonna follow all the way to the actual dinosaur park. In this river, like millions years ago, or I don't know how many years ago, it had huge like water coming there, and all the dinosaurs got trapped, or a lot of dinosaurs I should say got trapped in this area, and that's why they found so many fossil. Wanna do that one? Let's ask Google.
Fossil.
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 Fossil. I was totally wrong. I said what I said, I don't remember, but
Fossil.
thank you. Translation. Correction. So the fossil are found here, and yeah, so then we're gonna go all the way to the actual dinosaur park now. Hey, kitty, are you scared of the dinosaur? You don't look scared of the dinosaur, kitty. They are way bigger than you. Some of them fly. They will definitely eat a little kitty like you. My first plan was to bring Kitty here, but nope, it's not kitty friendly. She will not walk on this. Maybe on the side though. Let's go check this out. It is very touristy, but still quite cool to watch. So we are almost at the dinosaur park, but there's a little bit of traffic, a little bit of construction or something else on the road just at the entrance of the park. So I thought that we would sleep here at the campground. There's a campground down where the dinosaur park is, but I look online, I did a little stop, and it seems to be all booked. So I think we unfortunately not going to be able to stay there tonight, and I think we have some thunderstorm. We have a little bit of rain right now, but yeah, unfortunately. You ready to go? Are you? Let's go. It's gonna be all dirty. Dirty girl. Your face is already dirty, kitty. Look at you. Oh, we better to stay in the pad, kitty. Let's get cactus. Big cactus. In fact, there's something over there. Kitty, you should come out. There's a lot of poop there. Yeah, there's something in that though. Okay, let's go before we... I don't know what's those type of animals over there. Kitty wants to go in. Oh, what are you doing there? I was just about to say she want to go in every hole. Now she's under the stairs. I have to check on you. Those holes going like really far, and it's got some wildlife or stuff inside that I don't know what it is. Going further up? Okay. I thought you would go way back to the bed. Even though it's not that warm outside, I think the ground is a little bit warm for Kitty. She just lay down and she didn't want to move anymore. So I put her in my arms and now she's fine, but the top there was, yeah. Good girl. Alright, so Miss Kitty is very tired from this mini walk. Maybe the ground was not as comfortable on the trail. She's like, yeah, no treat time here, Mom. Yeah, it's hot. It's not that hot, but I think the ground was maybe hot for her. So I'm gonna make myself lunch, dinner. I'm probably gonna eat a little bit later on, but so avocado, some coleslaw mix. Alright, sorry, I thought I was filming and my camera was not filming, but I put some smoked tofu and a little bit of hummus because that's what I had to make it extra creamy. And for dessert, my little popsicle that I made the other day, fruit popsicle, pineapple, peach, all that good stuff. It's pretty crazy to think there's like, who knows how many, like 100,000 of fossil, you guys know the word, that are trapped underneath all those mud and that rock, and that probably so many things that we don't even know that exist are trapped there. Yeah, it's pretty crazy when you think about it. And I'm not like a dinosaur person, but when I was young, we had a lot of fossil, when in a river in front of my parents' house, and pretty cool. I'm gonna try to show you when I'm going to go there, but I found like a piece of bone once, and I came home, Mom, I found a dinosaur. That's a jar of a dinosaur. It ended up to be like a dead cow. Just the jar that I was grabbing. My mom was like, "This is disgusting. Wash your hands." But yeah, I thought I found a dinosaur that time. So, like right here, they found one of those dinosaurs. They found him. Hadrosaur. That's pretty crazy. So it looked like they found those parts. So the hip, tail, no head though, front legs. Front leg's there, the hip is there. That's the tail. Pretty cool. Yeah, you know, maybe his head is over there. We don't know. Over there. That's really fascinates me that we don't know what's just there or just there or whatever. So I'm pretty much gonna leave the area now that I cannot get a place to camp here. We're gonna drive, probably go to the rest area to find a place to sleep or something around this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. I'm not sure if you guys gonna get a kiss. She seemed pretty tired. Hey, Kitty? Are you gonna give him a kiss? Like, no, I'm tired. Tired of your big walk? That was not such a big walk, Kitty. That was a small walk. It's not your favorite place to walk? No. Prefer trees, wildlife. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.